Alright y'all, we out here at the San Blas Islands, Panama. Like we told you, in one of our chosen few expat shows, that's an archipelago of 365 islands. You can visit one of these islands every day of the year if you wanted to. Beautiful, look at this water. Now I'm pretty well traveled. The only water I've seen is like comparable to this that I've seen. I haven't been to the Maldives, but the Philippines, pretty close. Look at how clear that is. Ridiculous. You see my feet? It's ridiculous. So they have a shipwreck out here. So let's go check it out. Snorkeling around the shipwreck. Haven't been under there yet to see what fish are under there, but since we got the GoPro, we can go check it out. So let's check it out. Out here working to get y'all this premium footage. Trading water right now out here. See if we can go back in for another closer look. Back up. Look at these crabs, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, he's on the move, but I think y'all saw it. Let's go back under and see what we can see. Fish right here, y'all. There you go, y'all. Don't get much better than that. Again, we're checking out a shipwreck, San Blas Islands, Panama. Check out these fish again. My man dove way off in there. Yeah, I'm about 20 feet offshore and I'm still not standing up. Still treading water. I am still treading water. No hand. Trying to make my way over to Wifey and back to where I can stand up. Hey, Shanae, I still can't stand up right here. Still treading water. Finally, touchdown. Woo! Finally touchdown, y'all. My feet back on some sand. We've been treading water since we started shooting this video. I'm a little tired, but hey, we're here to get y'all the best that we can get out here in San Blas Islands. Let's go on over here and check out the volleyball, y'all. See what they're working with. Oh, get on out there, bro.
That was a good one.
Get on out there, man.